What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly monumental sitting right here on the studio desk. If you have been following the PC gaming space lately, you know that the hype around the next generation of graphics cards has been absolutely unreal. But the waiting is finally over. Today, we are taking an incredibly deep and detailed look at an absolute powerhouse, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC 16G. If you are currently rocking a 30 series or even a 40 series card, and you are wondering if it is time to crack open that wallet for an upgrade, you are going to want to watch this entire video. I'm going to break down exactly what makes this specific model a game changer, from its mind-blowing clock speeds to the brand new memory architecture. And hey, if at any point during this video you decide you need this beast in your own rig, I've dropped a link right at the top of the description below where you can check the current pricing and availability on Amazon. Using that link really helps out the channel, and I highly appreciate it. All right, let us dive right into the heart of the matter, the sheer, unadulterated performance specs. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC is driven by the state-of-the-art NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics coprocessor. We are talking about the next evolution in GPU architecture. But what truly sets this generation apart, and specifically this card, is the memory. We are finally stepping into the era of GDDR7. That's right, this card is packed with 16 gigabytes of blazing fast 256-bit GDDR7 memory. Now, why should you care about GDDR7? Let me explain. For the longest time, we were cruising on GDDR6 and GDDR6X. They were great, but as games transitioned to fully path-traced lighting and insanely massive, uncompressed 4K textures in engines like Unreal Engine 5, bandwidth becomes the ultimate bottleneck. The memory clock speed on this GIGABYTE card is an absolutely staggering 30,000 MHz. Yes, you heard me right, 30,000 MHz. This translates to a massive pipeline for data to travel between the VRAM and the GPU core. In real-world gaming, this means zero stuttering when you spin your camera around in a massive open-world game, instant texture loading, and incredibly smooth frame pacing. 16 gigabytes is the perfect sweet spot right now. It is more than enough to handle the most demanding AAA titles maxed out at 4K without breaking a sweat, and it gives you plenty of headroom for years to come. Speaking of speed, let's talk about the GPU core itself. GIGABYTE didn't just slap a cooler on a reference board and call it a day. This is the Gaming OC edition, which means it comes factory overclocked right out of the box. You are getting a massive GPU clock speed of 2.73 gigahertz. Think about that for a second. We are approaching 3 gigahertz on a flagship graphics card core. At 2.73 gigahertz, the compute performance for rasterization and ray tracing is off the charts. You do not need to mess around with manual overclocking software, risking system instability or crashes. GIGABYTE's engineers have already done the heavy lifting, stress-tested the silicone, and tuned it perfectly. You just plug it into your PCI Express X16 slot, install the drivers, and immediately reap the benefits of that 2.73 gigahertz boost. Of course, when you're pushing a silicone chip to 2.73 gigahertz and running GDDR7 memory at 30,000 megahertz, you are going to generate a massive amount of heat. Heat is the ultimate enemy of PC performance. If a card gets too hot, it thermal throttles, meaning it slows itself down to prevent damage, which ruins your frame rates. But GIGABYTE has absolutely knocked it out of the park here with their legendary WINDFORCE cooling system. This card features 3 massive custom-designed fans, but it's not just about slapping 3 fans on a heatsink. GIGABYTE uses an alternate spinning mechanism. The middle fan spins in the opposite direction to the 2 outer fans. This might sound like a minor detail, but it drastically reduces airflow turbulence and increases air pressure directly pushing down into the heatsink fins. Beneath those fans is an enormous array of pure copper heat pipes that make direct contact with the GPU die and the VRAM modules. Furthermore, GIGABYTE has implemented their signature screen cooling technology. If you look at the back of the card, the heatsink actually extends past the PCB, allowing airflow to pass completely through the card, which dramatically improves overall ventilation. This card stays whisper quiet even when you're gaming for hours, and the temperatures remain incredibly icy. Let's talk about what you can actually do with all this hardware.
This card is built for desktop users who refuse to compromise. The maximum display resolution supported is a jaw-dropping 7680 by 4320. That is 8K resolution, ladies and gentlemen. While 8K monitors are still a luxury, the fact that this card can output that many pixels shows just how powerful the underlying architecture is. For the vast majority of you watching, this is the ultimate 4K gaming weapon. Whether you're exploring the dense, neon-lit streets of Cyberpunk, fighting massive bosses in the latest RPGs, or playing competitive shooters at ridiculously high refresh rates, the RTX 5080 will handle it flawlessly.
And for your display setups, the video output interface gives you everything you need for a modern, multi-monitor battle station. You get multiple high-bandwidth DisplayPort connections and HDMI ports. You can easily hook up your ultra-wide 4K OLED monitor, a secondary chat screen, and even a VR headset, all at the same time without any adapters or compromises. But it's not just about gaming. If you're a content creator, a 3D animator, or someone working with local AI models, this card is essentially a money-making machine. The 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, combined with the massive CUDA core count in those dedicated AI tensor cores, means that rendering times in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve are slashed to fractions of what they used to be. Working in Blender or Maya is buttery smooth, even with complex geometry in real-time viewport rendering. And if you are running local large language models or generating AI art, the 30,000 MHz memory bandwidth feeds data to those tensor cores so fast, you will be amazed at the generation speeds. Aesthetically, the Gigabyte Gaming OC looks phenomenal in any desktop build. It strikes a perfect balance between an aggressive, gamer-focused design and a sleek, professional look. It has a beautiful metal backplate that not only protects the back of the PCB, but also prevents the card from sagging over time, which is crucial because, let me be honest, this is a very large and heavy piece of technology. It also features subtle, customizable RGB lighting that you can easily sync with the rest of your system using the Gigabyte Control Center. Before we wrap up, I need to give you a quick public service announcement. Because this card uses the PCIe Express X16 interface and draws a decent amount of power, you need to make sure your desktop is ready for it. I highly recommend pairing this with a high-quality 850-watt or even 1,000-watt power supply to give you plenty of transient headroom. And please grab a tape measure and check your PC case. This triple-fan cooler is long, and you want to ensure you have enough clearance before it arrives at your doorstep. In conclusion, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC 16G is nothing short of an engineering marvel. By combining the raw power of the RTX 5080 GPU running at 2.73 GHz with 16 GB of revolutionary GDDR7 memory at 30,000 MHz, Gigabyte has created a card that redefines high-end desktop performance. The WINDFORCE cooling system ensures it runs cool and quiet, and the connectivity options are top tier. Whether you are a hardcore gamer chasing the highest frame rates at 4K or a professional creator needing massive rendering horsepower, this card is worth every single penny. If you are ready to take your PC experience to the absolute next level, do not wait. Click the Amazon link down in the description right now to check the current price and secure yours today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.